Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting technological revolutions happening right now, augmented reality, or AR. And at the center of this revolution is Apple's groundbreaking new product, the Apple Vision Pro. How will AR and the Vision Pro shape the future of immersive experiences? Stay with us as we explore how this technology could transform everything from entertainment to how we work and live. First, let's break down what augmented reality, or AR, actually is. AR enhances the world around you by overlaying digital content on top of the real world. Imagine looking at your living room through special glasses and seeing virtual furniture placed right there, or walking down the street and seeing navigation arrows appear in front of you, directing you to your destination. Unlike virtual reality or VR, which immerses you in a completely digital world, AR combines digital elements with your physical environment. It's about enhancing what's already around you with interactive, computer-generated content. This opens up a world of possibilities for gaming, education, communication, and even business. With AR, your smartphone or wearable device becomes a window into a world where digital and real blend seamlessly. And while AR has been around for a few years, we're now entering an era where it's about to go mainstream thanks to innovations like Apple's Vision Pro. Enter the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's latest venture into the world of augmented reality. The Vision Pro is more than just another headset. It's Apple's vision for the future of how we interact with digital content in the real world. What sets the Vision Pro apart from other AR devices? First, there's the display technology. Apple has integrated ultra-high-definition screens for each eye, providing crystal-clear visuals that make digital content look incredibly lifelike. Whether you're watching a movie, interacting with a 3D model, or playing a game, the Vision Pro makes it feel as if those virtual elements are actually there with you in your space. Then there's the user interface. Unlike many AR devices that rely on hand controllers or buttons, the Vision Pro uses advanced sensors to track your eye movements and gestures. You can select apps, move objects, or interact with virtual elements just by looking at them or making simple hand gestures. This intuitive interaction makes the experience much more natural and immersive. With the Vision Pro, Apple is aiming to create a new category of devices that blur the line between the physical and digital worlds, bringing AR experiences into everyday life. One of the most exciting aspects of AR and the Apple Vision Pro is how it will transform the way we work and play. Let's start with work. Imagine sitting at your desk, but instead of being confined to a single monitor or even multiple screens, you have an infinite workspace. With the Vision Pro, you can place as many virtual screens as you want around you, customize your workspace, and move seamlessly between different tasks. This could revolutionize productivity, especially for remote workers who could set up their ideal office environment wherever they are. In creative industries like design, architecture, or filmmaking, AR could allow professionals to create and interact with 3D models in real time. Instead of looking at designs on a flat screen, they can walk around virtual models, make changes with simple gestures, and see their ideas come to life in 3 dimensions. On the entertainment side, AR is set to deliver truly immersive experiences. Imagine watching a sports game, but instead of just watching it on a TV screen, the game is projected into your living room. Or playing an AR game where the virtual world interacts with your real environment. With AR, entertainment moves beyond the screen and into your surroundings, making experiences more engaging and interactive than ever before. Augmented reality is not just for work and entertainment, it's also set to revolutionize sectors like education and healthcare. In education, AR offers a new way to engage students and make learning more interactive. Instead of reading about historical events in a textbook, students could use AR to explore a 3D recreation of ancient civilizations or watch scientific concepts unfold in front of them. Complex subjects like biology, physics, and chemistry can become more tangible and easier to understand when students can interact with virtual models of the human body or chemical reactions in real time. Healthcare is another area where AR has massive potential. With AR tools like the Apple Vision Pro, medical professionals could visualize complex surgeries before performing them, practice with 3D simulations, or even receive real-time guidance during operations. Patients, too, could benefit from AR by using it to understand their conditions better, visualize treatment plans, and interact with health information in new, more intuitive ways. While the future of augmented reality is incredibly promising, there are still some challenges to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is creating AR experiences that feel completely natural. This requires high-quality visuals, precise tracking, and low latency, meaning the digital content must respond instantly to real-world movements. Apple's Vision Pro has made significant strides in these areas, but we're still at the beginning of this technology's journey. Another challenge is adoption. While AR has massive potential, not everyone will want to wear a headset or glasses for extended periods of time. Devices need to become more comfortable, lightweight, and socially acceptable. In the future, we might see AR integrated into more subtle wearables like contact lenses or even lightweight eyeglasses. Finally, there's the issue of privacy. AR devices like the Vision Pro will have access to a lot of data about your surroundings and personal habits. Ensuring that this data is used responsibly and securely will be crucial as AR technology becomes more widespread. Despite these challenges, the potential for AR is undeniable. In the coming years, we're likely to see AR integrated into more and more aspects of our daily lives, from how we shop and socialize to how we work and play. Apple's Vision Pro is just the beginning of what promises to be a revolution in how we interact with the digital and physical worlds. The augmented reality revolution is here, and with products like the Apple Vision Pro, we're getting a glimpse of the future of immersive experiences, whether it's transforming the workplace, revolutionizing education, or delivering new forms of entertainment. AR is poised to reshape the way we live. What do you think about the future of augmented reality? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching TechSphere, and we'll see you in the next video.